Hi friend, today I show to you the model of the engine which name is V12 engine. So we have showed you the starting and stopping of the engine. Please you see the performance of the V12 model engine. Till date, if you are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification when we have uploaded any new videos on this channel. Please see the live videos. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, colleagues and technicians for taking the knowledge of the same.